welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually in Ballarat at my brother's baseball and I'm here with my good old friend Em again. She came down today to see Grandma and the family and watch Todd play baseball. So we're not really up to much today, just watching baseball, and then I think I'm going to stay at Em's house tonight, but what else am I doing? Oh, I'm going to go home and do a bit of farm work and stuff like that, but we might see you back at the farm later on. Yeah. Alright, catch ya! Today's vlog is going to be a little bit of a story time, but yeah, because it's just everywhere at the moment. So to start off the day, my brother Todd, myself, Emma and my mum travelled down to Ballarat and we caught up with my aunties and grandma, and we also watched my brother play baseball. So here's some clips of Todd playing baseball. Come on, Todd. So Todd actually won baseball, so now we're in the finals. Yay! So next week we will be driving down to Geelong for one of the finals anyway. So this is the start of 3 or 4 games, I think, for the finals. So that'll be really good fun. So they're not all going to be down in Geelong. Some will be back in Ballarat again. So, but yeah, so that was good fun. And then we travelled home. We did a bit of dancing. We had a bit of a party car. Emma here danced. Didn't you, Em?
Yep.
She danced like crazy. I didn't dance. Well, maybe I did just a little bit. But no, it was good fun. So here's a clip of Emma crazily.
Oh. Wow, that was a God moment, wasn't it?
So after we got home, Mum and I just went to feed the animals at home. And so I thought I'd show you around my animals pretty much and introduce you to some of them, as we just got 7 baby new lambs. So yeah, so here's some clips of the animals. Hope you enjoy. This is one of them. Oh, I'll see how close I can get. Come here, little Lemmy.
Pretty close, she won't do anything.
Come here.
That's the one that was born today.
This one was born today, apparently. So cute. That's Mum.
I love the black ear.
No. This is our chooks. Got a whole lot of chooks in here, but I'm not going in there.
No, I'm just going to
These are our other chooks. These are our silkies. Bring them back this way, if you can.
I'll put them out. Oh, there's an egg.
Oh, look at them. What the heck? They look like feather dusters.
I know. Don't they?
And they had 2 little babies.
Yep. One white one, one brown one like the other.
That's so cute. Oh.
But they're big, nearly as big as Mum now. They were so tiny.
Yeah. This is another little lammy that we had born a couple of days ago, this one. He's so cute and tiny. Not as tiny as the other one, so. Aww. Aww, so we had twins the other day.
And when I picked that one up, it's like a little soft toy.
Aww.
Got a black nose.
Can I try and pick it up? Do you reckon Mum will let me?
Apparently called this Sophie.
I've named this one Sophie because it doesn't eat much. And that's how Sophie was when she was a baby.
Yes, I still am actually.
She eats now, but she didn't when she was a baby.
It's like a little soft teddy bear.
I know. And I'll show the mother.
Yeah.
So this is the mum and the little sibling. Look at the tail go. Now, we might put her down so when you finish having a cuddle, see if she feeds.
Alright, you go feed off Mum.
But that...
Go feed off Mum.
Oh, see how much smaller it is?
Yeah, it's
than
tiny.
the other one?
You gonna go feed?
That's good. How cute are they?
No. Okay, I'll leave you alone now, Mum.
You're a good mum. Hang on,
Cassidy.
hang on, mate.
It's our horse. Oh, hello. Oh, yes. Now you're happy.
Don't walk inside, there's a lot of
No, it won't.
sheep poop.
You're so happy now. Baby. Hey, Cassie boy. Are you gonna love me? Hello. Oi. Oi, love me. I know you're eating. Wait, don't knock my phone out. This is our Rusty boy. This is our Kelpie. Rusty! Hello! Hello! Lily! Where is she? She's barking over there. Come here! So this is a view from the veranda. It's so lovely. And some acreage, and we're so fortunate to be able to have the animals that we have on the property that we've got. And we get the most beautiful of sunsets. It's so nice. It's like so nice and big. Not much of a sunset tonight, but it looks like the sky's on fire tonight in the trees. It actually looks like the tree's on fire, but still renovating. That's why there's a bunch of wood there. But it's just so lovely. I love this place. So after Mum and I fed all the animals and did all the yard work, I actually went out for dinner with some friends. We went to Subway, and then we went to see one of the planes fly in. So our Bendigo airport's really small, but we've just started to get one of the Qantas, I think it is, airplanes, and it flies straight from Sydney to Bendigo. So that's really exciting. So we went to go see that, and yeah. So that was good fun watching the plane come in. It was very loud and there was actually quite a lot of people in there, which was really surprising. But yeah, so after Subway and we watched the plane, I went to a going away party for one of my friends. They're moving up to Queensland. So that was good, sad, but yeah, it was good to catch up with them before they left. And then I came over to Emma's house. There she is in bed. Yeah, so it was a pretty long, it was a very, very long day. I was pretty tired afterwards. So I went to church the next morning and then I literally, went to my uncle was playing one of the finals in Bendigo for his baseball. So wherever she is, there she is. Em and I went to support him after church. And then we literally came home and I slept till midnight. I was supposed to have a 2-hour nap. And I slept till midnight. And then I got up. I missed tea. I got up and it was midnight. And everyone was in bed. So I went back to bed. That's just life of chronic illness. I need my naps. If I don't get my naps, I'm really, really tired. Yeah, so, and like the last couple of days, I've been sleeping a lot. My body just obviously needs a rest. So, yeah, so tomorrow my plan is to actually get up and do something constructive. Because the last 2 days, other than Ballarat, I have been sleeping. So, so that's the plan. But yeah, it was a very long day, a very good day, very sad day, but it was a lot of fun. So, yeah. Hey Warriors, so it's actually the next day. I kind of accidentally forgot to film last night. I ended up staying at Emma's house, but we came back from baseball late and then I had a going away party and yeah, so it was a late night and yeah, I didn't want to film at the party because I didn't really know anyone at the party. So, but yeah, it was a good time, good night anyway. And Todd had baseball that afternoon and I saw my auntie and it was great to kind of just spend some time with grandma as well. So that was good fun. So my brother actually won his baseball. Awesome. So he's actually in the semi-finals now, which is in Geelong next week. So which is actually this coming Saturday. So that's kind of really exciting. So final season is very soon approaching, like next week, and it is exciting and nervous and all sorts of fun. But yeah, so it was it was a good day anyway. It was a long drive, wasn't it? Em fell asleep on the way home. But yeah, my brother and I pumped the music up and tried to wake her up and she didn't wake up. No. But anyways, it was a good day and yeah, it was good just to spend time with family and stuff like that. And yeah, so it was a late night, so I didn't vlog. So, long story short, that was my night, that was my day. This is me signing off. She, for some reason, always gets the giggles when I film. I don't know why, but it turns into good bloopers at the end of the video. But no. So this is us signing off. I think we're just going to watch a movie, eat chips, and eat popcorn, and go to sleep. But I just want to remind you guys to be you, be unique, and be the best version of you can be, because everyone else is taken. So on that note, good night, and we will see you next time, Warriors. Bye. Say bye.
Night! I have a question for you.
Why do you always laugh when I film? You always laugh. Are you right?
Yeah.
Giggle gut. I think I'm just going to call you the giggle monster.